वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का इंग्लिश फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज सेमिस्टर 2 यूनिट 2 लेट्स मी सम अप। ठीक है, तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। एक्चुअली रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है, ठीक है, मगर आपको अगर एग्ज़ाम होती है, आपके कोई यूनिट टेस्ट होती है, तो 2 दिन पहले मुझे बताइए कि आपको इसका सॉल्यूशन चाहिए। एग्जैक्टली आप मैसेज करते हो, कमेंट्स करते हो, वेरी गुड, आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर योर कमेंटिंग। बट आप 2 दिन पहले मुझे बताइए कि आपको ये चाहिए। ठीक है, तो अभी फ़िलहाल मैंने अभी आज वीडियो ये शूट कर रही हूँ। ठीक है, तो मेरी ओर से मैं पूरा ट्राई करूँगी पब्लिश करने के लिए। ठीक है, मगर आपको पहले मैं एक बार क्लियर कर देती हूँ कि आपको जो भी सॉल्यूशन चाहिए 2 दिन पहले आप बता दीजिएगा। ठीक है, अगर आपकी एग्ज़ाम हो तो 2 दिन 3 दिन पहले मुझे बता दीजिएगा कि ऐसे ऐसे मुझे वीडियो चाहिए, तो मैं जल्दी से फटाफट से आपको ये वीडियो पब्लिश कर दूँगी। ठीक है ना? ठीक है, और अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। यूनिट 2 है लेट्स मी सम अप। एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, रीड द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो देम। तो इसमें ये पैराग्राफ, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, तो इसके क्वेश्चंस हम देख लेते हैं फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी के। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई वॉज द प्रिंस कॉल्ड गोल्डन लॉक्स? द आंसर इज द प्रिंस हैड ब्यूटिफुल golden hair, so everyone called him golden locks. Question 2, why did the king invite many others king? The answer is the king had caught a giant, therefore the king was proud of his bravery. He had invited many other kings to join him for a celebration so they could see the captured giant. Question 3 है, what condition did the giant put before the prince? The answer is the giant put the condition before the prince that he would give him his ball back if he released him. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन 3 हो गए। और पैराग्राफ सेकंड है, द बॉयज न्यू हिज फादर्स वुड बी एनर्जी। तो इसके डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस वुड बी एंग्री। तो इसके डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं, पेज नंबर 19। तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई हैड द बॉय टू स्टील द की टू द केज? ठीक है, द आंसर इज the boy knew that his father, that is the king, would be angry if he released the giant without his permission, so he stole the key to the cage to free the giant. Next question, why was the king terribly angry? What did he do then? The answer is the king was terribly angry not finding the giant in the cage. Then being angry, he swore that he would punish the person who had stolen his key and freed the giant. Then he punished his son golden locks. ठीक है, मैं राइटिंग में आपको नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, डाइजेस्ट में से दिखा रही हूँ। इसका ये मतलब है कि आपको मेरी राइटिंग समझ में नहीं आती है। ठीक है, इसलिए ये मैं डाइजेस्ट में से आपको आंसर्स बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि इनमें आपको अगर नहीं अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है तो आप कमेंट्स करते हो मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं डायरेक्टली आपको डाइजेस्ट में से ही आंसर दे रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मैंने लिखे हुए, कुछ नहीं लिखे हुए। ठीक है, तो आपको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं होता, इसलिए मैं डाइजेस्ट में से दे रही हूँ। तो आप बहुत सारे ऐसे कमेंट करते हो कि आप राइटिंग में लिखो, राइटिंग में बताओ, मगर ये प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपको मेरी कभी कभार राइटिंग नहीं समझ में आता। तो बेटर है ना कि आपको समझ में आए वही मैं आपको बताऊँ, इसलिए मैं आपको डाइजेस्ट में से ही दिखा रही हूँ। ठीक है, सिर्फ आपकी हेल्प के लिए, आपको अच्छी तरह से आपके नोट्स बना सकते हो, आपके जो मार्क्स है वो बिल्ड हो पाए, इसलिए मैं ये जस्ट हेल्प फॉर यू, आपको मदद हो पाए इस डाइजेस्ट से। ठीक है, ये एक्चुअली मेरे हैंडराइटिंग और मेरे स्टूडेंट के हैंडराइटिंग होते, कभी कभार ये एक्चुअली ये स्टूडेंट के हैंडराइटिंग है। ठीक है, तो कभी कभार इसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ तो मैं भी लिख लेती हूँ। ठीक है, तो ये मेरे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट की वर्कबुक होती है, मेरी भी मैंने लिखा मेरी जो लिखा आउट होती है वो भी होती है, मगर कभी कभार आपको नहीं अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती, इसलिए मैं डायरेक्टली आपको डाइजेस्ट में से बता रहे हो, ठीक है। और कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आया तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स कर सकते हो, ठीक है। मगर आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैं डाइजेस्ट में से आपको दे रही हूँ। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड मी, ओके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हाट डिड द किंग ऑर्डर हिज बेस्ट सोल्जर, व्हाट डिड द सोल्जर वांट टू डू? द आंसर इज द किंग ऑर्डर्ड हिज बेस्ट soldier to take Goldenlocks far away from where he could never return, but the soldier thought the punishment too severe for that young boy and he decided to find a way out, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, he put Goldenlocks in the poor clothes of shepherd and sent him to live far away in the family of gardener, ठीक है। तो ये पैराग्राफ के डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस हम देख लेते हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट डिड द सोल्जर डू टू कीप द प्रिंस आइडेंटिटी हिडन? द आंसर इज टू कीप द प्रिंस आइडेंटिटी हिडन द सोल्जर distinguished Goldenlocks into poor clothes to of a shepherd and sent him to live far away in the family of a gardener. Page number 20. What was Goldenlocks' job at the gardener's place? The answer is, at the garden's place, Goldenlocks' job was to tie the flowers together and bring them to the princess. Question 3 है, why did the princess refuse to marry other prince? The answer is, since the princess always received the flowers so sweetly that Goldenlocks fell in love with her, and one day he sent the banquet tied with a strand of his own golden hair. The princess was so much impressed by it that she wanted to only marry the one who had sent her that banquet tied with a strand of his own golden hair and nobody else. Next paragraph, not only after Goldenlocks' fathers, ठीक है। तो ये 4th पैराग्राफ के क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट हैपेंड टू Goldenlocks' fathers, what was required for the cure? The answer is, once Goldenlocks' father, that is the king, fell seriously ill, and for the cure 2 drops of venom from the deadliest tiger snakes were needed. Question 2, what had happened to the few brave men who dare to approach the tiger snake? The answer is, the few brave men who dare to approach the deadly tiger snake to get its venom all died terrible death. Question 3, whose help did Goldenlocks try to seek? What did he ask him to do? The answer is, Goldenlocks tried to seek the help of the giant whom he had freed from the cage of his father. Goldenlocks asked him to bring 2 drops of venom to cure his dying father. Page number 21, 5th paragraph. He steals my father, ठीक है। तो इसके क्वेश्चंस हम देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई वाज द जायंट रेडी टू कैरी आउट द विश ऑफ Goldenlocks? द आंसर इज, सिंस द जायंट had the obligation that Goldenlocks had freed him when the king had captured him and put him into a cage, he became ready to carry out the wish of Goldenlocks on his request to pay up the obligation. Question 2, what did Goldenlocks do to approach the ill king? Identified. The answer is, Goldenlocks distinguished himself as best as he could in old rags and with his golden hair covered in a plain white clothes to approach the ill king. Identified. Question 3, give the meaning of the phrase in and use it in your own sentences. The answer is, the phrase ushered in means here hurriedly taken allowed in to the palace. For example, since the sportsman was severely wounded, he was ushered in the operation theatre. ठीक है। तो पैराग्राफ 6 है, हिज फादर ले पेल एंड डोजिंग ऑन द पिलो, ठीक है। तो इसके क्वेश्चंस हम देख लेते हैं। पेज नंबर 22, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what was the effect of the cure brought by Goldenlocks on his father? The answer is, Goldenlocks placed the precious drops on his father's lips. At first there was no response, but in moment his father opened his eyes. Question 2, what was the request made by the Goldenlocks to his cured father? The answer is, Goldenlocks requested his father to forgive him and the giant too, as he had braved the snake to bring him that medicine. Question 3, describe the end of story. The answer is, Goldenlocks, with the help of the giant, could manage to bring 2 drops of venom for the cure of his dying father. The king recovered, and following the request made by Goldenlocks, he finally forgave Goldenlocks and the giant. Goldenlocks and his father got reunited in this way. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन 3 हो गए हैं. अब क्वेश्चन 2 है, सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस एज आंसर एंड राइट इट्स लेटर इन द बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, द प्रिंस वॉज कॉल्ड Goldenlocks बिकॉज ही. द आंसर इज बी, हैड गोल्डन हेयर. सेकंड, अ जायंट वॉज फाउंड. The answer is C, in the woods. Third, Goldenlocks' fathers invited many other king too. The answer is D, show his own bravery that he had captured a giant. Fourth point, the favorite toy of Goldenlocks was. The answer is B, a golden ball. 5, Goldenlocks offered dash to the giant to return his ball. The answer is D, all of the 3. 6, the giant would give the ball back Goldenlocks. The answer is C, released him from the cage. Page number 23. Goldenlocks could manage to free the giant by. The answer is C, stealing the key and opening the cage. Point 8, the meaning of the phrases flew into a rage means. The answer is B, become terribly angry. 9th, the meaning of the phrase heartbroken is. The answer is A, greatly disappointed. 10th, the king swore to. The answer is A, punish the culprit who had stolen the key. 11, Goldenlocks was dash for his crime of stealing the key and releasing the giant. The answer is A, punished. 12th, to hide the identity of Goldenlocks the soldier. The answer is B, sent him far away in poor clothes of a shepherd. 13, dash prepared banquet for the queen's daughter. The answer is C, Goldenlocks. 14, what did Goldenlocks do to attract the queen's daughter? The answer is C, tied his golden strand of hair with the banquet and sent her. 15, the queen could not allow her daughter to marry. The answer is B, a poor gardener's helper. 16, dash could cure Goldenlocks' father. The answer is B, venom from a tiger snake. 17, the adjective not used for the tiger snakes is. The answer is A, longest. Page number 24, 18, Goldenlocks could not help his ill father because. The answer is D, he could not find any person who could cure him. 19, what happened to the few brave men who had tried? The answer is B, they all died terrible death. 20, Goldenlocks dash his father's steps of punishment. The answer is C, justified. 21, Goldenlocks took help of the dash to help his lying father. The answer is B, giant. 22, Goldenlocks distinguished himself while going to his ill fathers because. The answer is C, he was undergoing punishment. 23, Goldenlocks did the following to distinguish him. The answer is D, both A and B. 24, the phrase a shared in means. The answer is B, showed where to go. 25th, what did Goldenlocks get the doctor's nod for? The answer is B, for putting drops of venom on his father's lip. 26, the end of the story of Goldenlocks shows The answer is B. Reunion of the family of Goldilocks. पेज नंबर 25. पुट अ टिक मार्क्स, यानी ये ट्रू फॉल्स है, तो ट्रू फॉल्स में फर्स्ट पॉइंट है द प्रिंस वॉज कॉल्ड Goldilocks बिकॉज ही हैड मेनी गोल्ड लॉक्स. द आंसर इज फॉल्स. सेकंड, द किंग टुक प्राइड इन अरेस्टिंग द जायंट. द आंसर इज ट्रू. थर्ड, द किंग इन्वाइटेड अदर किंग्स टू शो his brave act of capturing a giant. The answer is true. Fourth, the giant put a condition of his release to give the ball back to the prince. The answer is true. Fifth, Goldilocks asked a soldier to open the cage and free the giant. The answer is false. Sixth, the king swore to punish the person who had freed the giant. The answer is true. Seventh, the king decided to punish his own son to keep his promise. The answer is true. 8. Goldilocks was locked in a cage as the punishment. The answer is false. 9. The king was happy to punish Goldilocks. The answer is false. 10th. Goldilocks was sent to a gardener. The answer is true. 11. Goldilocks' job was to tie the flowers together and bring them to the princess. The answer is true. 12th. One day Goldilocks tied her banquet with a golden ribbon. The answer is false. 13. The princess was determined to marry the one who had tied her banquet with golden hair. The answer is true. 14. The king needed 2 drops of poison from the deadly tiger snake. The answer is true. 15. The tiger snake was kind enough to allow anybody to draw his venom. The answer is false. 16. The few brave men who had tried to draw venom from the tiger snake all died terrible death. The answer is true. 17. Goldilocks pleaded with the giant to bring venom from the tiger snake. The answer is true. 18. The giant said the king had no right to trap me. The answer is true. 19. The giant himself took the venom to the king. The answer is true. Page number 26. 20. Goldilocks distinguished himself while going to the king. The answer is true. 21. The soldier at the castle soon recognized Goldilocks is distinguished. The answer is false. 22. Goldilocks was stopped from entering into the castle by the soldier. The answer is false. 23. Goldilocks was soon recognized by his father. The answer is true. 24. With the kind act of the giant, Goldilocks was reunited with his father. The answer is true. Activity 2. In the previous unit, you have read the story Strong Desire Wise Action from The Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Now, based on it, fill in the details in the following table. First, one day something happens to our character that causes a problem. Who is the main character and what is his problem? The answer is, the main character in the story is Tom Sawyer. He was given the task of painting the fence by his Aunt Polly. It was difficult for Tom to complete the fence as it was very long and high. Second, the character tries to solve the problem but it doesn't work. How did Tom first try to solve the problem? Why didn't it work? The answer is, Tom persuaded Jim to do the task of painting the fence. The promise to fetch water, offered his playthings and even showed his sore feet, but Jim ran away as he was afraid of Aunt Polly. Third is, suddenly something changes so that the character tries again and solve the problem in the unexpected way. What changed so that Tom could solve the problem in an unexpected way? How did he solve it? The answer is Tom persuaded Jim to do painting for him, but he ran away at the time. A brilliant idea came into the mind. Tom convinced his friend that painting the fence was a great pleasure and even made them understand that to paint the fence to perfectly, and there was no one boy who could do it well. Thus Tom created interest among his friend. He got many playthings from his friends as a privilege of painting the fence. Thus, even without any hard work by himself, the entire fence was painted thrice. Tom was relaxed under a tree and mused, a man or a boy will desire something if it is not easy to get. Activity third, the story about the Tom Sawyer had a few questions. Tags in it. तो इसके क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. पेज नंबर 27. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड नोट द टेंस in which the verb are given and the use of questions tags at the end of each sentences. First question है, he was singing happily, wasn't he? तो इसमें wasn't he क्वेश्चन मार्क है, past continuous sing, was singing यानी इसका ये कौन सा टेंस है, past continuous tense. Second, I must get the water, mustn't it? mustn't it क्वेश्चन मार्क, must get यानी ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. ठीक है. थर्ड, हिज हैंड मूव मोर स्लोली डिडंट दे, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, डिडंट दे. तो ये कौन सा टेंस हुआ, मूव्ड यानी सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. फोर्थ वन, अनपॉली टेक्स अबाउट इट, डजंट शी, तो यहाँ पे डजंट शी क्वेश्चन मार्क, टॉक्स यानी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस हुआ. ठीक है. फिफ्थ, टॉम हैड प्लान्ड टू गो स्विमिंग, हैडंट ही, द आंसर इज hadn't he. had planned यानी ये कौन सा टेंस हुआ, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. 6, आई एम गोइंग स्विमिंग, aren't it, तो यहाँ पे aren't आएगा, आई एम गोइंग यानी प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. 7, शी वॉन्ट हर्ट यू, विल शी आएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे वॉन्ट हर्ट यानी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. 8, Tom had discovered a great law of human action. Hadn't he, यहाँ पे hadn't he आएगा. had discovered यानी past perfect tense हुआ. ठीक है. 9th, he did not turn from his work, did she? did he, तो यहाँ पे did he question mark, did not turn, तो यानी ये सिंपल past tense हुआ. 10th, I will get the apple, want I, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, want I. तो विल गेट यानी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. एक्टिविटी 4 है, रीड द समरी ऑफ ओ हेनरीज स्टोरी आफ्टर 20 years. While reading the notice that the summary first is about the source is neutral, references source, start with the main idea of the source and contain a few details that tell him the author expressed his main idea. Separate the sentences or sentence part indicating all the 5 points below the text. तो ये पैराग्राफ है. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, समरी सेंटेंसेस, पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. द आंसर इज, समरी इज अ शॉर्ट पीस ऑफ राइटिंग दैट टेल्स द मेन आइडियाज ऑफ अ ऑथर्स ऑफ अ सोर्स. Second, source sentence, part of sentences. Imagination is the source of creation. Economy is in itself a source of great revenue. Neutral sentences, part of sentences. Third question, being neutral in the matter, I refuse to take sides with either my brother or my sister. Fourth, referencing the source sentences, part of sentences. The answer is, referencing the source can identify the source with the title, author's name, date of publication and place of publication. Fifth, detail of main idea, part of the sentences. The answer is, main idea of the author might be in the middle or the end of story. Since a summary should start with the main idea of the author, it is important to read and understand everything first. ठीक है. Activity 5. In unit first, you wrote a sentences telling Mark Twain main idea in a strong desired wise action. What is it? ठीक है. Find at least 3 details in the Tom Sawyer story that help Mark Twain express his main idea. Write more details if you think you need them. The answer is detail in the Tom Sawyer story that help Mark Twain express his main idea. First point, Tom Sawyer was given the task of painting the fence that was very long and high by his Aunt Polly. Second point, Tom attempted to get Jim to do some of his work for something for him, promising to fetch water from the well in return, and even promised to trade his plaything but failed. Third point, Tom convinced his friends that painting the fence was a great pleasure, and he even made them understand that the fence to be perfect there was no one in 1,000 who could do it well. Fourth point, Tom learned a great law of human action. A man or a boy will decide something if it is not easy to get. Activity 7 है page number 29. Now you have learned a new way to write about someone else idea. You learn about a type of summary that. ठीक है, इसमें इस एक्टिविटी का डायरेक्ट हम आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. The answer is neutral summary of strong desire wise action. The short story Strong Desire Wise Action, an adaptation from the adventure of Tom Sawyer written by Mark Twain in 1876, tell us the tale of Tom Sawyer who discover how man desires to get things that are not easy to get. Tom Sawyer was given the task of painting the fence by his Aunt Polly. He persuaded Jim to work for him by offering his plaything, but he ran away. Tom continued his work but soon remembered the plan of going out to river and swimming with Huck. He neither wanted to be the laughing stock of his friend nor left anything valuable to exchange for help. At that time, a brilliant idea came to his mind. Tom convinced his friend Ben that painting a fence was a great pleasure, and he even made him understand that to paint the fence perfectly there was no one boy in 1,000 who could do it well. Ben got interested and offered an apple in exchange for the privilege of working on the fence. The idea worked with several other boys. Till the entire fence was painted thrice and no paint was left behind. Tom had collected a hoard of miscellaneous treasures like a small cat with one eye, a piece of broken blue glass, etc. Tom discovered a great law of human attitude. No one runs behind ordinary but will have strong desire for extraordinary things that are not easy to get. Number 30. Activity 10. Write a summary of King Goldenlocks that is about of source. Second is neutral. Third, reference the source. Fourth, start with the main ideas of the source. Fifth, contain a few details that show how the authors express the main idea. The answer is the beautiful fairy tale King Goldenlocks locked away for 150 years but recently discovered in Germany was translated and published by Maria Tatar in the New Yorker on the April 2nd, 2012. The whole story revolves around the prince who was lovingly called Goldenlocks. The one who had long golden hair. He was banished by his father but returned to rescue him when he was on his deathbed. In the end, he was very kind-hearted and got the wonderful quality of forgiving and doing good things. The story began with a celebration of his father's bravery as he captured a giant, but the prince stole the key and freed the giants, the king made an announcement to punish those who stole the key. The king had no choice but to keep the promise and thus sadly banish Goldenlocks. The prince lived with a gardener who worked for the queen of his own land. He helped the gardener to cut the flower and make banquet for the queen's daughter. Soon the prince fell in love the princess. Not long after, prince understand that his father was ill and needed 2 drops of venom from the deadly tiger snake. So that the king could be cured, the prince collected the drops of venom with the help of the giant. As the giant refused to carry it to the palace, the prince distinguished himself, went to the palace and put the precious drops of venom on his father's lips. The king recognized the prince. The father and the son were reunited. The prince became the king and happily married his lovely princess. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यूनिट 2 यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.